Hi, I'm Hajro for Contabo, and today we're talking about something that seriously impacts how fast and reliable your server runs, your storage type. We'll explain why SSD is a smart choice, how it compares to other options, and what our newest SSD VPS storage can do for your projects. SSD stands for solid-state drive. Unlike traditional HDDs that use spinning platters, SSDs have no moving parts. They're built on flash memory. That makes them much faster, more durable, and more efficient. And in server hosting, that means better uptime, faster data access speed, and smoother storage performance, especially under pressure. So when you hear about SSD, HDD, and NVMe, what does that exactly mean? Here's the difference. HDDs are slower but affordable. They are best used for backups. SSDs gives you a strong balance. They're faster, offer SSD reliability, and still affordable. NVMe is ultra-fast and ideal for advanced workloads, but at a higher price. SSDs are perfect for SSD VPS hosting. Whether you're running a WordPress site, a business application, or file storage, SSD helps you get better storage performance without overspending. It also supports more input-output operations per second than HDD, which means faster site loads, smoother backend operations, and improved data access speed. Our new SSD Storage VPS gives you a lot of fast SSD storage for very little money, up to 1.4 terabytes with full control and an on-demand access to your data. It's a great solution for hosting files, backups, or any data-heavy applications that need to stay quick and benefit from SSD reliability. So, if you need fast storage without the NVMe price tag, SSD VPS hosting is your best bet. And our Storage VPS gives you room to grow at a great value. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and let us know what you're building in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hosting with Contabo.